Nyame nchitoma. Nikora tumango udzaveuri noivona intro video guys.
This TikTok is this talk. This is isn't this Insta?
This is TikTok, bro. What do you mean?
Oh, I hear me say says no.
11. Don't you mkona chintengera 16.
Nyula mvugana.
As do.
William Fororo. It's a
Mara, you know what you do on TikTok? You search whatever
I
was
searched
said.
my dear love as over. Eh, but no longer my dead love. That's why it's over.
Not wako tiano. It's okay, man.
Hey, your Fanwell Fororo. Fanwell Honoro. You've never seen this video?
It looks
Uba kochiwa chikoringisa zvituchichisa chingadi kuyoteka muna wanje.
Why? Husband name.
Your husband's name?
Yes,
Why?
Fanuel Oron.
Fanwell
Where's your phone? The money will go to him direct.
Yes, but I will receive that money.
So whose phone is that? His phone or your phone?
I'm the one whom I bought that phone, and I gave it as my dear love.
My dear love.
Yes.
Inini kadirwara nana mzee.
Oh, funny enough, ndakurealize zore. Ati authority. Ndi authority ndichiseya.
Okay, Zuluka.
What does it mean? You're a nurse. Actually, maginyani kufixa so iko recorda msabere ngasutamisa mapungo. Record yako tsibudza abantu.
Ani mubudzori zviamboro. Manese domrengera taxi. Angamurengera kwanta
They actually buy that.
They do that. Eh? Angatsi qualify ngori mina. Asinesela asina
Lachidimini.
No. Ene net care midwife. Wusi. Oh, mina diambo babisa.
Hey, uko baby so mini hapa.
Ende we babisa. Oh, sorry.
No, babysa mtuni. How is it?
Ofarwa. Hayi ngishiyamba kamera zotsima urinya.
Oh, babysa mtu.
Hayi angasito tu.
Andikufuna nikodobva. Hezvo zvinena kuita hezvo. Vonese vakodobva.
Eh, mind.
Nini yasema?
Ndiko mind. Ah, wewe zinese unosema. Manese unosema holi.
Eh, that department.
Ngundala. Manese anokola akosema muthu. Soft but.
All right, let's start, guys. We're here. Keep the shades on. That's what you were saying, Nicheswika.
Keep the shades on.
Keep the shades
Why
on.
does your manga accent in Zimbabwe?
Yes, Zimbabwe.
Keep the shades
Jamboree
on.
nantu.
Let's keep the shades
Zimbabwe.
on. Keep the shades on.
Keep the shades on.
Aye.
You must keep those shades
It's
on.
to a Fanuel Ororo, right?
My dear husband.
My dear love.
Oh, anyways, welcome, guys. And I'm saying chedi atakadza.
Ndepara yazvita. Zvoshuma chedi yotenda pamuna.
Really?
Yafuna.
Ufuna inova nese then.
Yeah. Nekero nandinese zvinoti. Munanga adha achingisa mushumo ngaguru yanga.
Azvani drop anirengisa.
Ati mind.
Ayani drop akirekeni ngori namzilisa nde.
Atwaya
ayabolani. Aviyadani
kana
janga
yachibhodoni. I don't mind. Nandina love.
Anyways, guys.
So much love to give. Ndiko phala maginya. Okay, great.
Kawita mini? Oh, I actually watched the episode.
Right, yeah?
I watched the
Right.
episode last week in test. So yeah, it actually works. There's no background sound or whatsoever.
Sound quality, honey.
Yeah,
quality.
yeah. Shout out to Panda Studios 010, 023 2939. Number though. What's wrong? Why not that one? Anyways, Namsi, we have someone behind the camera. I'm Simra camera. She's just behind us, in front of us. No,
Behind us.
No, she's not behind us. Do you remember I'm trying to get behind the camera? And then I just realized she's in front of us, or in front of me, because also that me directly. Yeah, I know anyways, guys, sponsorship job, we are here to reveal it. Hey! That's
What on earth was going on? Because the comment section,
like
you guys were saying,
I said a lot of
at the Sunny driving school, ndinyi.
ndimwe yopazvikipa.
Oh, zvinovakopfonga vadori pasvikipa. Ndobona edzisari. Vamwe vari Macbeth.
Oh yeah, so Macbeth.
Happy MGB. I was like, okay, you guys really take us serious.
So,
MTG, Happy,
what else?
Tabero, Waterfront.
Ahamba suzhinji ma. Afune SKA and a lot. I mean,
Dar es Salaam, Nanda.
A lot.
A lot.
It means there's a lot of brands. Mungari na yogati. When Tazon mention a company zinopazvikipa.
No, already, but what's wrong? What is wrong? Hey,
Zumba brand hapo.
just announce it already. Okay, guys, drum roll. I want a drum roll.
Koboitan.
So,
Official sponsor.
Yes.
Muwinindi.
yeah,
We're trying to be serious,
bro.
bro.
Mr. Kana MR21.
Funny enough. See,
Is it Mr. 21 or MR21?
21 Savage. Mr. 21 Savage.
Can you do
So the official
some for
sponsor,
me?
yeah, the Black Couch Network for this year. Next year, Namusi. The MR21. I hope I'm saying it right.
MR20. Yeah,
some,
the
some people
MR21.
say MR21.
Doesn't
Which doesn't make
matter.
sense.
Yeah.
But then
I
like,
think
yeah,
MR21 makes sense.
he should come and explain what it means.
Yeah, just call him.
Don't you think Vangal Shona?
Vapi, when?
When they were MR21?
Oh, no, I don't think so.
'Cause I feel
Isn't
like,
he? IT, Ashumi, Nabatu.
nah. Oh yeah, he's a
he's a
lecturer.
lecturer,
When
so-
goes?
No, well, that was just the end or what? I don't know how he. I don't know.
But then also with that, I've soon come to realize what hi Dory. No, I'm the person behind this brand. But then you can just go and check your name, Lava, and then it names every company that you own.
That's true, but then before that, before what? I wouldn't do that. I don't have that time. So for what it comes here, like most of them, I think that's the reason. They don't want people to think they have money.
Yeah. So, you think he has money?
I don't know. The MR21 looks pretty cool.
Yes.
Don't know Ivona.
I've seen the things also
People
on
don't
TikTok.
fancy, so. Areba the responsor.
Yes, what
If
the-
only I don't bring mahara.
I wanted to go there. Okay, I know we have a deal. I mean, it's a done deal for the year. Maram twaro bati bati muburunga.
Abamburunge, eh?
Amahara.
What's the worst that could happen?
The era paka black couch mburunga.
And na jisusu, no, yo, friend jisusu, the doves.
Oh yeah, I've seen those. What do those things represent actually?
I have no idea. It just looks cool. It does what?
Oh, it carries the soul. It's lying. You know
It carries what soul libo yo tuwa kade msibala betu.
Exactly. Nito fanga
Niki
nga
to
Monday.
tuwa chilizini yo sala nevala.
Vagonya.
Vagonya nayo.
Saturday was tena chit. Na maruna
Saturday
na
ni
vai soul
kule.
yanu.
Oh, soul wa idibu nga mtu na mtini.
Yeah, so ndo enda bona yongo uchikoita ntu. Uchikopupisiwa lisa kopupa.
Yeah, if it means what? Marana, I don't think it means anything. Lingala lotoneta. It can just be a tired day. Everybody
So
has
now-
a lazy day.
Exactly. Oh yeah, so that was some already. Remember last week we spoke about how actually at least someone finally saw it. Oh, okay.
Yeah. I wanted to ask her, how did that come about?
Hey, bro, it's been a long thing coming.
Ne?
So what happened is that what happened? Did not tell you how
No pasisani.
Well, I mean engineers I'm sure. No call na kobondiness. I'm sure I divide the pilisi.
Zvinolia dzidiva. Little dzidiva is not packaging.
Oh, so here's what happened. I think last year I got exposed to a lot of business people around Venda through the
True.
podcast also, and then I got the Tomamba, and then that Tomandaya. Remember, it's also part of Riverview. So not as a Riverview, Riverview.
As a Riverview.
Part of simply means is like ndina black couch, ndina magnified, something like that. Those are two separate
Ndina
brands.
Amma shades. What else do I have? Damn.
Na foundation.
Oh, I've got Amma foundation.
Why? Nasa comply. Damn, sorry man.
But I'm gonna work on it.
You ain't working then on it.
Nah, don't do neglect. I was really not there.
The same way I did with Magnified. And then I'll come back, baby boy.
I crop top.
No, I don't do that. Oh, I was still explaining how Orient, Rotomisanant, and then Ratomamba. Then we had a meeting. I think that's when I knew, okay, this could be something beneficial. Muta better meeting. Es was going hey, mungana ni guy. That community also so the pashkipa.
Ish.
Let's have a meeting. We had a formal meeting. Okay, this is what I want. This is what they want, and this is what I want.
Yeah.
Then, okay, cool. Shapira. But this was last year, I think around September, if not early December.
Yeah.
Then Shuma. And then we did the gig and in partnership with Nando in Riverview, Blackout Sessions. You guys should go check it out also. And then Nanepala, also I think through the Royal Heritage thing.
Yeah, because he also did the OYTI, the after,
Yeah, so Ratoma Bana Shaka Nepal, Ratoma blind. And then he was like, yeah.
You don't blind now, Hamba.
Now ask him to a dinner, Mamuna. Oh, one thing I like about him, I think the reason he came also, he understands podcasting. And the question I asked you this other time, what is it? Do you think radio is going to die? He was there also this other time. Man, if ever radio yafa, you guys are the ones that are going to need to take over. Then I was like, oh, okay. Then he explained the whole podcast from Matomon Diva, Ching, and then I like what you did also with the women's Monday editions. Like you had women interview, and then you also had Oapfa and the other girl, Chibuya. Yeah, so that was really nice.
That's pretty cool.
That's what I want to have on a podcast. Then I got to about other podcasts that he watches, and then they're nice and everything. He was asking me about the plans for the podcast. Yeah. I gave out because I never did
which helped you.
Yeah, fair enough. And
that was last year. I remember because funny enough, he called me. I could do that.
True. How you
He called me first. I don't know what these rates. I don't do that. Then I gave him your number.
I think he wanted advertisement.
I could do the advertisement. Yes.
It's like a month or 2 weeks. I was like, let's do partnership now. I think.
Yeah.
And then also I go for there's an MR21 that's opening. Kapunda Maria Palan. Have you seen it? Do you even drive that side?
Don't know any of the office your MR21.
Not
Apala une also, or like I think what one space in you could tell, or it looks like they're just working. They're still working on a proper place because Apala will talk.
Ngo na Apala ntazikuni.
Apala.
You know it. It's so cute. Kati Junction So apparently it's gonna launch very soon.
And I feel like it's gonna look very good.
It does because
they do have taste, man. They have taste. Do you
think it goes with the deco? Because by then na party a deco on some other things.
I feel like it goes with taste. Now we never taste it. He has I just think so. Taste. You can't buy taste.
The day we had a meeting. Not the at the restaurant. Then this other time, let's meet at the office.
It's crazy. So that's the way you are.
I think that's what we are going to You can go to any other. Okay. When I'm mochari nifongandia card. Na mochari no fimin card na. I don't think it got Jane up. But this all fine.
Why? Mara MTG ninga Jen. And you know why?
Those fancy things.
You know why? It's because of Gandre is to Zabiwa Ngayo. Bogis Lobiwa in a stylish way. Mara, I fell and got to Ajana now and auto pack you some crete.
Exactly.
It's scary as hell. But then I do feel like it's gonna look very presentable. So that's what taste, man. I mean, look at Riverview, for example.
Yeah, Riverview is cute also.
And then I deco never like it's just it just comes with taste.
Yeah,
so Jambore out and a sponsor for the next year.
Nope.
Okay.
Unless mutadana something different, totally different. Like it has to be different. Ninga the response aranga we was keep ninga dazi.
I wanted to say, ninga the magawazi keep uri. But some feel offended. I already know.
Yeah.
I feel like if someone comes to me, okay, I've seen your following, please wear this and tag me. Yes, I do know Uranditios Badelisa, but I feel like there are people I can't say, like, guy, you know. So I wouldn't mind.
Something, man.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind.
Instead of giving me 5 t-shirts, give me 2 and money. Don't you think?
No, man, ono zite zula unazo. Zono itiwa, you know. Now when orichita 500 marana 500 ya cash.
Oh,
do you understand what I'm saying?
I get you,
and it's like that with most of
the brands,
you know.
Abanayo
chere we fara, but they have the ideas, they have whatever. And if I can post it out of my followers, then let it be.
Guys, what for you when you were soft boy and anything other day?
It's not about that. No, I'm just saying.
I get what you mean though.
Mara.
Oh, I love it more.
If they come to me for help, especially at a brand also don't bring me to
yeah.
Don't the outfits that we combe because I can't go out, guy.
Yeah.
So it you each consumer, you know, it should be like a good brand. Don't want to business keep and go thought.
Yeah.
I haven't been the post. Permitted.
Oh man, I permitted. Why as a eating?
Orifa. Don't the keep them going. Don't you worry?
Yeah, so then go observe about the studio Venda because we have that thing also challenge Venda.
Yeah, Venda we have nowhere to shoot. Yo.
So he was like, nah, don't worry, everything is sorted. That's what there's no pay. You guys have
a studio.
We have a room.
Oh, and then we'll just bring equipment.
Yeah.
Still could you
don't worry.
Okay,
we'll
honey.
Be there. Anyways, when it's open much come see us that record I've gotten a lot of people saying, you know, I really want to come to the studios when you guys are shooting. I'm like, hey, I want space. And then
don't worry.
Yeah, and then if anything happens to you, hey, closer to home.
Aren't
you afraid though, man? Not Farashtumbo, man.
Uja.
Just of the setting ya mochare.
Yeah, but I don't think it's that deep. At what level are you? Like, okay, who is the closest person you lost?
Upetsera.
Makruano. Makadichina.
But then it wasn't.
Don't you go to your mandibon?
Wait to me. I don't know.
It's so childish.
In Indian robots, what's in there?
Who was the last closest person you lost?
Patini no going to their closest.
Okay, you can say your aunt. That's close. Oh, okay.
Which
great.
was last year.
So let's say Nari Venda. Nichuska Jarathan, I am a clone road. Nichuska, would you run or would you go talk to her? I want to understand the level in Navakai.
Your offer.
Yeah, no, hey, your offer. Would you see her as a ghost or as your grandma?
That's a ghost, bro. No way.
What do you mean?
No way, I'm not going there.
What do you mean?
No.
What do you mean?
Just so you know.
Okay, hey, what's wrong? How about you?
Maybe I go bad does it.
Hey, come to something.
Nah, man, I wouldn't go to him.
Really?
I'd freeze, bruh.
I would go.
Like ending a freeze out to a point in I don't know.
I just feel like I want to see what don't need.
Exactly, but no.
He's your granddad. What don't need any?
I don't know, man. I don't know what they're capable of.
So
I've never had an encounter with one.
Uri, the setting, it ended up going to Ishaba. Maybe the thought you want as tumbu, but
people that you know.
If it's people that I know, I'm chilled.
I don't know if I've shared this before, T. There's this thing in there. I used to say, no, I know it used to happen a lot. They are opposite because I'm afraid or there could be some. I don't know.
I used to have that when I was young.
Exactly. Yeah. So I think. But there's no go to work because they're going to that's a genuine. Like I'll literally come back and I'm nangoni.
Oh yeah, you told told me
Ndavhala.
hezvila zvori
Zwithu zwa
na
so.
inde yamiyana vachivuyera
Then vachiuenda konojena vangana vasiconsema uri mini but then
okay nane ndachiyopa ngoraro though
Sure,
mara
so.
if you've noticed nendiyopa chimwe na chimwe so for me it's pretty normal.
yeah, you're scared of almost
I'm
everything.
scared of like bring me a chicken, bring me a frog, honey, bring me a puppy, a cat, anything, bring me anything. Ndiopa chimwe na chimwe goloi vathu.
That's why you don't want to buy a car anytime soon.
No, actually
Ngoyopa.
ndi prefera upira bada nga goloi upirisa nga milenje ndingasifuki. It's that
Nachimisa bridge la tendo.
never. So funny enough, ndandisachimisi bridge uyu wabura.
Yeah.
Uraona vathu
If
vondofi
not
bagri.
udamba.
Udamba mimi ndichipura nayo yoyo.
Marati high school rachi varione roteri kobonana.
So then you bridge ndopenda topasa 5 years ndisingoinamera right
I think don't remember roti.
hapala pasi upera nachiwana comes obvious thing chobva ndingasipira north
Vanodara.
zvino una madhuva anonga comes ndobva nga sick note ndipo ma10 nga break or whatever there's no one
Yeah.
nachingawana ndotoima ma 10 minutes ndoindira uchida mutu ndifuke I wouldn't cross that. I've never ndindothi in my life tutoipira. That's how bad it is. So I guess yeah, chipuku maybe. Mara nenda totangana makuru ngandi kuvarumeisa dzura ronwa rava right.
Okay, maybe ningari haenda pira. Mara udzura never.
Why nichingapira makuru wangu?
Because I'm like, bruh, how?
No, then I'll sit down and find out.
No, mwe mtu dombudza. Ndidobudza mwe mtu yani kukubodzura nge. Please go find out what happened and then yeah, that's it. Yeah, so that's what that's it guys. Rather going to announce the sponsorship. We went out and then it's and then yeah, they sent me out the thing. It's fun. I've seen this thing cards in the podcast talk about it. Yeah, so this is what they do. Like damn guys, I have to do that now. It's a long thing, man. But then MR21 funeral services, true respect. Why?
Why are you reading like that?
Okay, so I love the thing also. I love the slogan or the motto, whatever. Like true respect. I don't know Zobaga. Like
oh, hey, in the lounge.
Also, this is their logo for everything I've seen. Nankozuyamba na mkono or na maginya. River view in until so, and then Alumbi or something.
Yeah.
And then look at Rushon Chinchwai, just a bit.
I still want a party at Arumbi. Nduyanda nyangu ita mara. Awandisa I afford.
Oh, urabani tere party. Yeah. Ndo afford does it. Ndiolani. Ndinne.
Ndikotodabonesa mwana.
Kabante. Yes.
Oh my word.
Yeah, so losing a loved one is never easy. At MR21 Funeral Services, we understand the importance of celebrating life with respect, care, and personalized attention. That thing, a personalized attention, I think that's the one that caught my eye. Because apart from, so this is why people choose MR21, and then I saw Wakambanga personalized. And then I think the day we had a meeting, Doja pamphlet, Skandavi and Dunda, and Mianga we Farah, Tindim Tuno Funo Buringwabala. That's what we did. I bet him to ask what the funerals wood, and there was one. I work on number by MR21. What mean? No.
What do you mean Garumbi? What do you mean go to a party? Hey,
that wasn't a party.
Oh, no,
Eventually she'll have to.
Yeah, eventually we're all going there, guys.
And there's no, it's my turn to convince her. We're at MR21.
Okay.
Cover values. Also, they offer compassionate care. What's compassionate care?
Compassion, like care.
What would you do to show compassion?
It's just doing everything on time and not stressing out the family. I think that's where the personalized care and whatever, like we will do check on us, not the other way around. Like just making sure prepare or whatever. Just do things on time because already we have enough stress. So just bring in your best service all the time. Like just do what you gotta do.
Oh, also one thing he said, I don't know how those go quite a carriage could feel that's got a Mara sponsorship with the song cancel and got to Teddy. To marry us. Jane and me. Jane. Oh, so you're
man, even serious, man. It's coming up fool.
No,
can you at least focus?
No, you're speaking of how because numbers are so going to stress and I mean so now the level comes very what they believe in the remember Sophie rich and then obviously we're gonna bury people of different levels. They're gonna bury me the rich one and then you the broke one.
Fuck you. But okay.
Okay, Arsmedani the bank account.
Why?
Let's see who's rich.
I'm gonna marry them sitting as you win can go forever girl. I'll come next week, yeah? I'm to carry on my boy, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, call me mommy.
That's your boy. Oh, yeah, so welcome, sorry. There are times where they are out of a sort of community, and then the family is able to cater for the relatives and then the visitors that are there in JT. But no one ever true, no one family. Mochari, Vachikola and then I want to Vachikola. No one is line of no, I really want a mini so come to River Trovo, attended. So he was speaking about how he implemented something to readiness workers. What if I agreed on whether how not they can or not if they can afford, unless not to insist. So what else after burial, we all take the cars, Radisa Kawash, Punera Ropakon, Woda Fudrala, and then I don't know if I'm more stressed of a family in terms of
in terms of food.
Because now to Rushaka. Yeah,
also it just depends on the family no turn out you know.
Yeah, so in terms of village compassion but then it feel like it makes sense if you coffee that hopefully was it because no not really yeah. So and then another one he said they give customized services. What is it, man? So you can actually point out this is what I need and this. And then, and a lot of services that you guys are gonna see and hear throughout the year. Imagine I would never. I know you. Oh, it was on a date here. I can't Photoshop. On a date, got on better Photoshop. But then, yeah, shout out to MR21.
Oh, thank you so much.
So good, man, to have something is baking you up. And then, like I said last week, if we mess up or if we fuck up, they're always gonna be there, hopefully. So,
I already did a black couch galadin.
Right?
That was like a black tie event. A black tie event. Arwan Chipango, black tie event. Red carpet things.
For the black couch.
Just for the black couch.
To introduce the partnership for everyone to come. A dinner. What about the pine?
Can I pay invite and go to a whatever?
Yeah, we can do that.
And the dinner na referred on the black tie aba one on danga drip.
The security serious as you.
Lamsonda. Little garita kura na drip in and band. When I see the black tie to it as a take. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, it doesn't make sense at all. So
but yeah, it would be a good idea.
Yeah, so if you want to know something about the thing. Oh, then I think they also do insurance. So it's not just a funeral.
That's basically what it is.
I think this is insurance anytime.
Yeah, that's how it is. Because that's okay. So great, even the queen. You have voice with you.
Eventually, okay,
no,
yeah, I get you.
I mean,
yeah,
that's like there's nothing you can do about it.
So you can contact 24/7. Our values, you know, much in case you tumzanya go shaba. They always. I'm just kidding. I want to mange. So you can contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Ella or an go to replace the one and then that's it. And then if you want to contact them, castle phone is 061-509-0775. As long as you come to sponsor and I never for you to sponsor you about sponsor. What about you go to church but not trying at you gumanga chasha door. Okay. Anyways, how's the trip? Complain as you I did ask you about how you go about choosing a place of where to go.
TikTok has everything now, guys.
I know, Mara, you've probably seen 7 different things.
Yeah, and
on
then
a
you
daily
choose the one
basis.
you like and the one you can afford. Also, you go on booking.com or whatever, and apanga the date.
Booking.com is so expensive. Or is it me? I don't know.
Is there a difference? I don't know.
Yeah, there's always a difference.
So booking.com is more expensive.
It is, but
A lot.
guaranteed.
What
Is
do you mean it's
Airbnb not guaranteed?
Airbnb is so much guaranteed.
It is, Mara. I mean, there are other people that.
Oh, you mean your trip advisor, what? I don't trust those things also.
No, Airbnb yanga is fucked right now, hey? I can't use it
Why?
for some
Are you
time.
owing
Robi
something?
araya ingwe trip ingwe rasi eromosha zvinjisa.
Oh, so when you blacklist
I think so. Ever since then, nobody avoid that because the comments were bad. It was a huge house. Reuters,
no gonna boy. Baba tukana.
Navastana, rotangana. So, like, I don't know, it wasn't bad, but
Okwashia zvitemba. What is that? No, that's what you said. Okwashia zvitemba kwashia.
do you not know what that means?
What? But that can
I don't
also,
think you know what it means.
that can also break. No, don't know if you
Mara, do you know what it means?
Kwashia
It's-
zvitemba.
Yeah. Do you know what it means? It means farting, right?
No.
Ah.
It's virginity, bruh.
For real?
Bruh. In Bora, man, you should leave this podcast, man.
Ndina distinction ya Venda.
I kushuma.
Ndina distinction
And
ya
Venda.
Venda, guys. Eh?
No, man. So
No ways. Okay, no. Mara, I know.
Mara,
no,
that broke as well, right?
No, but yeah, nyi.
Oh, what else, Chena?
No.
Because you can't break something that's broken.
No.
No, I'm just kidding.
Raro tuanga isha bafunzi.
Oh, okay.
How crusade?
Yeah, so not gonna do something. Like, you need to check. Was it affordable though? Tanzania. Book and I mean, roughly how much?
Meaning?
For Arasogore, the whole budget here trip, you think, guy? For 3 people.
Not the.
How much is it? No, budget like no.
Okay,
no,
like this, I'm gonna break it down or flight.
Flight,
Is less than
accommodation.
10K. Flight is less than 10K.
For 3 of you.
Oh, you come home from Chia.
Oh, okay. So it's 10K.
And then would 07
So, let's say roughly 15
for flight and accommodation.
flight and accommodation.
Per person. Okay, it's affordable though. The one you see this year, you see Shrikerer.
Azame vila vila. I bet nayo.
Yeah, I did that.
Even one bath. Uma napelo in double.
Opi varambathi.
Varambati.
Rekwa varambati.
Ero yesta.
Ngathi
Alamadi
kuyakereka.
ala office anga ngomwa in
I've never
double. For real.
I've never been there.
Ashu ya yote.
I've never been
Varambati
anywhere.
na Kruger.
Into the Pepe. Na ona
Oh,
chipisi,
yeah,
ndio no yes.
Chipisi as Pepe. Damn.
Zitoba the Forever Resort, I think. But
Nabo
then-
swadini ti.
Swadini to
Forever. Forever they were on.
Yeah, so somebody.
It's not bad. Then there's something. You don't know
Next week
where
into-
una cost ya uro.
No spend up guy.
Yeah.
Oh, book.
But at least I'll just $dollars, you know. Ndobona that article we published this week.
Which I mean, rent
Bao
or
kushimsa shillings.
how much is one rent?
Niban.
From a
Rinaringa this kangiri na 10 million.
oh
Because
damn.
cheaper.
How is it possible? As it shillings, no what is it funny?
Shilling.
I
It's
know,
like we got
but
to
currency-
shilling.
no,
No, the
man.
currency is pretty low.
Oh, okay. And then also, ndakumblanga tikuvamba za MR21 because I was thinking of the Benas. So ndakumblanga ngagolo eti brindos no. Hey, lunch you know a problem because I thought it was going to be a problem kaba tunichitangana na of which is still there mara zvukwini. Matrafiki, bruh, cops are stopping me every time. That time abakunyanga sort of mean because ndiko vakerikini now. There was a roadblock came to upon. And that guy's like, yeah, ish. Don't you have a ticket that you need to pay? I'm like, nah, I don't think I have. I mean, unless unazorviro. Of which people were saying 140 isn't a good drive.
It's not actually.
South Africa it is.
Okay.
Because you only get arrested after 160. I think Doka kind at 180 last week. They got 160.
Now when you go to 1.8.
No, I wanted to say
And then I know
160.
it is on your 200, but it's fine. I'll let you be.
No, man.
No, just because ningafariwa and there's no bored that you should tell
No,
me
that's
about it.
sorry. Remember, these things for content. I'll say whatever it is, even if it's not true. Like,
Ene ochua mini up. You're going to shillings to so.
what's wrong with that going as you?
Hey, why no kukanuka riko shuta? Ufi mini?
Yeah, boredom. Yeah.
No, I was just verifying the rate of the shilling.
Everyone is-
Deep guy wondering.
So,
One
one Tanzanian shilling is 0.0068 rands.
Hey, brazo tangana. Recently, Johnny Randa ni siangi. Can be changed. Okay, it's basically the same thing, man. Also, got in the
I don't know times 2.
So, one
times
rand
one.
is 148.1 shilling.
something. The one is you're
Jamando.
gonna be a millionaire, dude, for
Jamando
once
shika. Oh.
in your life.
Jambanda toshika afi mavengere aita 10,000 shillings.
Unapika mavengere.
Ngarenga 10.
Hey, that is it. And then yeah, so
Ala no baka apa pepa ndava yantuni.
Yeah, Tanzania.
Malibone apa kan? Unalibone lodzimao.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, funi yaboni but funi yaboni.
She doesn't have to as a theater.
Okay, it's fine.
Oh, that guy,
In
but
the
then
end of the number of the shades because no one number of the shades because now it looks like we're doing something.
guys,
Please tell them I inspire you and when you grow up you want to be like me.
is in the sacrifice.
Sacrifice your it.
Sacrifice bana bama.
Why did you want my son? Mudau speaks like that, right?
Who daddy? Sacrifice.
Hi man.
Rekonya kopfuma. Konya kwa chelede.
Okay, it's fine. I
think these shades is it already? Remember the last time I was speaking like in
No, let's one number that telecom. I said
yeah, but then either way,
no, I wanna either way.
mwana daddy reko to wabichironi.
Who speaks like that?
Gotta keep the shades on.
Who speaks like that? Who speaks like that?
You'll find out. Very soon.
Ah, you was ready.
No, but vanji vamba so nane. Oh yeah, so that guy angimisa ti then acheka tikiti yavanosina isina chitu tikokoroda chitu guys so titutomonibudza vekamuro tusivobadera because rivo achizviita mari nomuitera and rivo wesekane so ariya so
uite zvootebori habvi aipetuti ukutochererwa ndatichiona
na mheri vangasiniwane petu tiikola ndikosengwa limpopo ni safe auna guru sentenevo hai tindi ovotodzumba achikwedzeragara chini apo adzigore dziyako dziringisa the cop stops me. It's like yeah so wenzani une channel nati yeah ati ikupi ku YouTube nari yeah I think it's colored. I was like ish kune mali lana. I'm like yeah you guys ain't getting paid. I know they won't just ask that question like you guys ain't getting anything. They was like nah man itwa a guy then abakunyangwa jena if you are watching my bro you know that thing we spoke about on Sunday watch it
on my way from church
I
no
told-
ambara nachinorobaje
naambara chikipa checha thing ndotobvura kundu
tongorini kamedia team ni vanikoshuma auna chimwe chova fancy
exactly which is what I like also.
uboimanda chiduro irike
Okay, let's move. Then alatoa kama zori. Oh, yo, all I'm talking about zori. Hey, una chere dena ni tough guy na mean, do you think make jukweta as millionina? I'm like,
muna chipinga changa. I need to go.
Tikiti ratina chikorodo and it not wa. I was like, I'm mama YouTube funa. That's why maybe zvino nafini nazi traffic cops ziko tomoita. Remember la fakazi wa Venda woita so china ndotanga na also lingo Venda. Darashishi.
vativa
Na mufumakadzi kevorenga ranger vari yesu vanga mwana angela video asine
so zvino vanowana channel yavo
mutonga vopedza kuita yavo nandikwakudzana kuti vadhekantrap vari budzorei munthu achirira utonwa glasi ngana mine vamizira
finala wing ni ya push
really
yo baba if you
yeah
have
guys
anything hot
unitusa wabva kezvo so
I'm not going to encourage you to drink and drive. I don't drink and drive.
ngori ni ndishimisa uba hatini handikasitamba ndonotanga naye petonji asongonwa ti wapfa
Maravenda ndi badikopamda ndikuvhedharisela mvela toreira 20
mara, I don't think
ela bada
Venda-
ndonoipedza zvinhu
Venda vapfesesa man
at netkwamba zvofesta zvino I'm talking about drinking and driving per se uri ndiaiopa hela bada a lot of things have happened kapunda maria you know so if I drink I'm very cautious let's notuone vani kunwa madhi
oh I get you
but I don't think it makes a difference
okay una muthu wakambori also if you're speeding, remember, like ningapura and then I'm trying to be negative, and I know my reasoning is gonna be work at all. But then also you could be driving normally. So if it's your day, you always die, right?
No.
Whether you're driving at 180, at 160, at 60.
But then remember, I feel like everyone on an accident, right? Nichiko driver, something happens and then na briga. Nansa do briga ngorala. If it's your day, it's your day, it's okay. But that doesn't mean now we can't be cautious about stuff,
all the time,
you know. But that doesn't mean ndikoto Venda and Chimbira Johannesburg CBD just because if it's my day, it's my day. You get what I'm saying? If you are going to be reckless, it's going to be your day before it's your day. So also my issue is usually my driver passenger, because the first thing you do is protect yourself.
Is it true? If a mother is driving, they're always going to protect the child. Is it true?
Yo, I used to think all mothers were amazing. It's not like that. There are parents that are very narcissist, you know, and all that. So yeah, but I feel like a normal parent with the parents' love, protect one.
Would you protect your boyfriend or your husband?
Why?
No, I'm just asking. This is a podcast. We ask questions. But you're going protect him. Why? Why niko dofa either way, and then niko dofa ninga
no,
I wouldn't, bruh. Trust me. You just have to trust me.
I can't trust you. What you mean?
Bruh.
You can't even trust yourself.
Bruh. What do you mean?
So?
Why do you need to get you killed? I will get you killed.
No, so you know you have nothing to gain. Now I'm brand new and you to Mara, no, Nico does not 4 million years ago.
Need this bus. I go to the MR21 for sponsorship.
Sponsorship.
No, for real. What can you confirm? These are the people who never shoot.
What's the It's just that I have to keep my shades on.
Dude, keep the shades on.
Keep the shades on.
They will find you. So yeah, and then anyways, you're in a drought. I'm in a trophy.
Guys, I am so not interested.
No, that's I'm just happy, man.
But you know what?
It feels good to be. Tanzania. Mom, you need to pay that 300 shillings.
If it's those.
If it's those, I time in. I was already going to shoot.
How's the division? I'm saying good.
Mara, what do you do? Enough is those and but enough is those and true.
Wait a minute.
And to be na panabo.
Narrative. And the ringas funny.
But to Nina Mino Pindre and Chumbuz.
But why
in Maran interpreting as Zumba. Fistos in our far.
And then I would see.
There's no net. I
know nothing gods of Kumabanga shock.
Baby can you never see you?
If I want to gods of Kuma, it would shock them, but here's Kanena Auna. No, the people we are actually like
sleeping with.
Nah.
Seeing, yeah, yo. Somebody the brother on it.
No, brother, you fistos are not civic Brahms. Unamangana fistos. Unamangana. I know what a fistos Uber. Uber.
Now, Uber, right? Uber. She found no longer a mini brown.
We will some fun. No,
you got trend of his book with you.
Those were not your post. The just screenshot. Nico for us, Johnny. Nothing episodes that I'm not going to
Hey, what's going on?
Don't you want this? I should have said,
I don't I'm trouble.
Marino doesn't speak. He's just like, hey,
I'm brown. So you come by my fair 20, all that year 2000.
Yeah. I'm basically Uber, and I can't do that. But they are dating. I think they and a girlfriend.
Oh, that's a good thing, man. Oh, good luck, man.
Good luck. That's a jumbo data.
Why?
They've been going to and at you need to come be some to I was shocked. But How are your DMs, bro?
I don't know penga.
Okay, this year no ambisiwa.
Nah.
Don't lie. You've got the shades on. Can you at least behave like you've got the shades on? Don't take the shades off. Don't take them off. I'm bango.
You know
what I'm saying? Hitting on you. You don't have
to over-explain this thing, man.
Okay, no ambisiwa this year now.
Untaba.
Ndizone zothaba ndikuitwe ndibe ndi safe phandangi. Ndofaredzi otosera pepper spray. Awuna mshana ngangwa.
That doesn't really come mood really. Yeah, they Amara cuts DMs also, and then WhatsApp. Plus, I think I need to change my number also because my numbers are out there, and then everyone can is access.
Can you imagine? Because there's actually DM down below. Zavi we ngori batu kandi bano noko short haja, but zavi they are like up there.
And it even
Ne
guys.
Arvo.
Nah, arite zamshumo. Yeah, so guys, this no la blackout want ndikereke na musiko fe blackout mini ndari kana kavare blackout wa Chiefs just so you know. Yeah, man. It's just been 10 years.
Okay, you know I didn't even know it was playing.
Well, you didn't have to know. Now you know.
Now I know.
Won. And then
congratulations, Ketanga.
Kaizer Chiefs is big, bruh. Have you realized that thing? I don't know.
Your Chiefs then.
Chiefs.
Maginya.
The Chiefs now, probably. Eh? Casual. Chiefs, I get it. Or they are big institutions, big organizations in South Africa. Mara Chiefs is big, bruh. I don't think there's any bigger brand than Chiefs. 10 years without a trophy. People are still there in numbers. Us, loyal boys.
Naga relationship ni kondeira zo.
Yeah. Ndia kondeira. Kana tombaisisa hani.
Ti? Dani jolea ni ngazula.
Ne better worry. No, kondeira swimwe. But then, here's the thing.
I'm heartbreaking. Na faru rumbu tiro oma ubva. Uskaka chikunwa. Na fa isa isa kushuma. Why mara batu kana baso? Vachijolelwa vachitonga vakorova. Mara vone vachijola every day.
I think vosikiswa zvezvo avo vojola.
Natomujolera mtu kana ti uvachitonga. Umafaro nga brain tumor on the spot.
No, man. I think you guys are strong, man. You guys don't realize how strong you are. No, not in terms of.
Y'all are stronger.
I've heard girls speak about your period pains, giving birth, all those things. You guys are just strong. And don't read the video. We're trying to make you feel the pain in Amaduban. And then guys just can't take that. And I can't even imagine myself doing that. Because I'm just in.
So because we're strong, that's why you guys make us go through so much. I think guys do
that. Yeah, utakari was to do. Mara, you get what I mean.
I just think men deserve to taste their own medicine, hey? Why you need the bite?
You have the power to.
No, my dear love. My dear love.
Yeah, so and then that was. Back to Kaizer Chiefs, how big it is, you know how TikTok is. If you like one video of something, a bunch of those things are gonna come. But then that brings to a point in I ended up going to Google and go check how many members are there that Chiefs City. And then remember there's people like us, but we're not even counted. We are nothing. They're out there. Yeah, so Kaizer Chiefs, it has like 15 to 20 million supporters. South Africa. And then I'm going to check out the thing that we can compare it to, which is ZCC. It has like 12 million people, but then in SA, ZCC is like 9 million people.
So Kaizer Chiefs is bigger than ZCC?
Yeah, technically, which is why they also made a SIM card for them. What the hell is SIM card la Zoko? SIM card la Zoko. ZCC, Orlando Pirates, Chiefs. So that's the thing. So, hey guys, respect us.
City, congratulations, guys. Congratulations again.
It's never enough, bruh. Like,
but I saw how happy people were.
Congratulations into the Takara. It's very light.
It's very bright. Yeah, you need to keep the shades on.
Yeah. Kiran, congratulations.
Congratulations, Danga.
Thanks, man.
Nine
So-
nanim Davini. Yo.
And then Kabatuba Focus FC, I get you. Need the winner something.
Focus FC ndimi.
Oh, tunela club ya kuri the winner into the league. Wako focus aka league and then league yotua. Wako focus aka kef yotua.
I have no idea what all this is.
Wako focus aka net bank Raijiarin.
Eh.
So Focus FC. Muzo kuti baka kwenze njani.
Really, amor, are you? Why do men take this thing so serious?
I think this is
That's the only thing you guys love wholeheartedly.
I think even women, man, we just choose who to love.
Nah, y'all don't love us.
We love you guys. We choose who to love.
No, you guys know you can't live without us. Doesn't mean you love us.
The same way we can't live
It's
without
for the
Kaizer Chiefs.
convenience.
I wouldn't live without Kaizer Chiefs.
You are gonna live pretty well, trust me.
Not at all. Ndozama tiabona but I mean when Chiefs kotamba, I'm watching. Yeah, Lee wondering you don't know. This team is gonna win something. And here we are, we won something. And we're the best now in the continent. Did I lie? I never lie.
I wouldn't know to the bit so didn't there. I'm gonna let
I
you
wanna
go.
say team. Finally, okay. It's Chiefs. Now 20 million year on. And then there's like that's over 25 because there's like 5 million of me out there. And then I want to stand down there's oh, and then one thing I know you don't really watch football too, but then remember hey at the final Moses Mabida in Devon. It's like I think she will 50-something thousand compared to FNB we need 90,000 and ticket apparently they were sold out in the first 90 minutes. So how come there is in Netbank is at Ambria upon now stadium Churane. Remember Netbank is a bank like it says itself. And the chief FNB.
Oh. Oh, makes sense.
I was like, yeah, people.
Okay.
It was analyzed all blind.
Yeah.
The same way I Sundowns to MTN80 as the time very hangy higher in Sundowns. Because the class stadium Chote is branded in Vodacom.
Black Leopards guy.
Hey.
Ndio naenda dibayo.
They're cheap.
Ikadibone.
They're cheap. Apparently, okay, you mudiliwa mara. You umeda number 4. Because we're going to go to team PSL and all that. And then there was a high chance it's going to come back. Yatomo dot ambapono Joe back, Ravona. And then Venda people go back to loving it as they always pretend. And then, yeah, Mara, they have 2 games in end.
TTM.
Yeah, today. They should go ahead at TTM. Masara. I did David. Yeah, so
no, I ain't go ring one day. Like he bought the mom keys. Hey, what happened there?
I don't know, man.
The vets, there was something. Hey, I'm so
just
close.
Vets. I don't know. Really, me guy. Hey, at the David Rakom. Oh, Castle Tixi. Oh, you watch soccer?
Kutofuneza batukana.
T. Oh, no, the moon one.
Vadzana vona boda vafunesa varumwe vatukana. Ubu kudza mudzadzo vatukana. We don't care about these things.
Nah, Mara. I never the Bloemfontein Celtic. You should love soccer.
Shinarero pana mtu unoitambira.
Celtic.
Oh, jena gayo.
Oh, jena UFS.
Oh,
what is it?
Hey. Have a nice day. It's just your shift. Our shift has yes.
Borani, practice. Borani, practice. Practice.
Honey, imagine who's gonna get your board. We don't watch at all. We the better guy.
Hey, man. Have you been watching?
Control.
Do you watch Revenge Diaries on TikTok?
I do.
Don't be the story you're like. Revenge Diaries. Do you know Revenge Diaries? First of all. Okay. I don't be kind. All as
blind, but
you were like, yo.
The thing is, the trust issues. I feel like someone is lying. I never feel like.
Wait, someone is lying as in mtu asenda ontukana unoko representer.
Osendao. I mean, nothing ningasenda zvinorudzwa so. Auna proof. Auna fee in the so yeah, it is funny, but
then also what I think it. Okay, so Ronnie Jen. Whenever Zofi, Nukamzula Zore, Munganga one thing I realize sometimes that is one angandibu. Or 5 minutes straight from my inbox.
Straight from my inbox.
Those things they're interesting, I mean. But then remember there's a time in I thought they were busy. It's like holidays now. No one is sending a story. But then she always has a story each and every day.
So what one were busy man. Remember the last story I should be South Africa.
Like imagine if that's what
People
you
is
do
like-
for a living. About nice story. What are you gonna do that week? You have to come up with something in the moon. Tonian. I'm telling you should be sharp also.
I guess.
So that-
That's
and
what people wanted me to do. And she does the story time on YouTube now. And yo guys, I'm
So
out
you
of
lie.
stories. But I have got no, but you can always. I'm like, how am I going to explain a story? Lingo dubande the contradictors. Kachingwe. Catch up. Imagine now I'm explaining. I'm like, yeah, when we went way well, we ended up. I've never been to Durban.
Oh, I
Do you get it? Somewhere, somehow, it'll catch up with you. So, at least come on, you move so I will not find the end.
That's on come now.
Maybe I'm going.
Now I make up a GT at least. Ningasi zombule.
Yeah. MR Revenge Diaries is crazy, but what would the blue? But like,
No fighting with Chan to which I mean, this other guy was funny enough. Manese, they just always in stories. Our story, you know, Nakadintu, the Zandibo, there are always nesses there. Everywhere there's nesses. My Pepandaba, nesses. Now Revenge Diaries, nesses. You guys are everywhere. Except when you never knew which could They're
everywhere till you're about to die.
Exactly, bro.
Till they have to save a life.
So this girl, one is I got data. I think she's from Sikukud. I got data now. This other guy. I'm cheated around 9, you see?
The guy.
The
Hey,
guy cheated.
She was counting.
It's called Sarania Barere.
That's very
No, not your Barere. It's true. She have a best Yambiru.
Go family
So,
or
like-
the video. Uri.
What am I cheated?
Uri.
Uri.
Uri, all I know mentally. Ish, you don't know Uri.
Who didn't be?
On TikTok. She's a Venda. Well, I'm Venda.
Oh.
I don't know about
Boyfriend or Rote or Goody? No.
No, a woman. Why do a donation? You don't know Uri.
Guys, how do you end up getting donations, man?
You want to be there? Do it.
Nah. I feel like people hate me, bruh. They wouldn't. Okay,
I
hate
don't
me
know.
to a point, but I think
Mara,
picture
you know what's funny about podcast hate, right? Everybody hates you from far, but when you meet them, nobody hates you.
Yeah,
Like,
everyone wants a
in
picture.
person, not even just the picture, but they
guess-
can't even frown, Chief. Like, I thought you hated me. Why are you not frowning?
And I never you know you post I didn't know for one eye.
I'm not.
And I've never looked so dumb. This other day, because I petrol crashing. How much would that give him? I was what's going to happen.
Would you not grow
I black out you. Come let's snap him over
Venda.
So it have Venda for none. So that's idea guy kana. So there multiple times people come. And then all I'm trying to hey, come for the day for then tell come for the you know when you're happy, I mean the main camera stop but you look so dumb, bruh.
You don't know what to do.
That's good.
Some sand.
In your board.
Yes, I'm very interested.
No, I think he gets anyone and never in the spot. So he has a trust. Or you gonna keep his phone?
I find the videos very hilarious.
Also.
I would have said this.
Anyway.
No one ever was Shiri.
He was always there with Shiri. I mean.
The business Yahweh. Yeah. I'll never leave Venda TikTok, guys. I love Venda TikTok so much.
Now I think this generation just kind of hashtag Venda TikTok and I watch
No,
everything.
Randy.
Everything. Janie Mlando. Yeah. Some back in the story.
I saw cancel you, Randy, please. I love her so much. Asongoya, guys.
Although, wait, already Jane. No,
Also, speaking of Randy,
Not to find where Jane.
Uka album ya Mizo.
Yeah, I saw the name.
I didn't think he makes like.
Music was blend.
He was good on that song.
I think I only know one song. Yeah, good also. Anna
Which
Wu
one?
Kid.
Anna Root Kid.
Woo.
Or Wookie.
Wookie, yeah.
Wookie Duvio. Rojana ne.
Ojana Tinkal.
How's the mom to know who something?
No, Rojana.
Kaila group. Yeah.
Karfeme.
I don't know who something.
I want a Wookie. Mar obviously until Nintendo or Tinkal.
Umutsuko.
No.
Mgana una mutsuko. Ula mutsuko finyi.
Mugura.
No. Hoba una muraf demik.
Hana Dimiki.
Habana delete.
Walaza. Inokamba Walaza.
Walaza was. Oh yeah.
Yeah, ndi Walaza. Oh. Missy vantu vatendo.
Oh, Havana the late. Yo, guys, do you understand Ure? How many people passed like from Uvarijiva High School till So many people passed,
Ari
bruh.
ngwarisa ne MR21 ne rite zwaho nini. Ngwarisa
I don't
ini
think
mngani.
ngwarisa ini. Ini so ngwarisa and it's chilled.
Okay, it's fine. Pini basi yana.
Basi ngani kuisa guy ngori ndiri kungwarisa ini.
For safety in case na shaba South Africa.
Ah.
Ndiamoro mtu ko shaba na chede dzanga.
Chedi zanza mini ngori dzikuti yabva norova.
Ini. That's fine. We're not for it. Era dipese story cha Revenge Diaries. So ilati ufi chita run 9 iti. And then the lady, I think she knew the guy cheating on me. And this other time achikwamba na female na mngana wana kamba the best friend. Hey, wala mtu konchitira mini. And then ufi ari mini kana. And then the best friend response was angasiri iche ngori is uncircumcised.
How does she know?
Yeah.
Or maybe you know right? You know what my biggest fear is, T? As women, saso andaka first dates. Ndavianda dichibu yari kadroba goro ini. Kodoa diko phone. Mungana. We all do that. First date, even. Mungana.
Mara few women don't kiss and tell. Jiggy.
Honey, we do. Obviously, you have specific people. And then after that, in the process, I know someone, and then she would complain about their intimacy and whatever. Now they're married. And I'm just like...
So every time you see them, you can imagine...
You get what I'm saying?
Exactly.
I'm like... So you're in it for a lifetime?
With friends and
Friends,
family, all those things. Because they only achieve variety.
We're just like... Mara kama somo isazi class ini.
Nah, auna class was to intimacy. Auna class intimacy. Kechi.
Uridzione.
Ninga goodies ini.
Ninga goodies wa. Tipa.
What are the tipa? If many sexologists, what do they do?
This is funny because I'm thinking my grandma Ivona. Whatever I'm gonna think is gonna come for me.
Then the process was more me. Then I'm like,
yeah, it's work.
Sexologists is it I mean?
They help.
Because you see with the physiotherapy and goodies or gym, I have right and I mean they show you what to do.
Okay, nati kwa ana mganazi uri mtu angaba chigudisiyo. Mara remember, I think what makes people say someone is bad. Don't you think the matata? I think what's going on matata.
Matata ni mini mara.
Like umbo dita to overdo abiringanya everything and you're like you could have just not.
Dude, you brought this topic up. Did you come as a Revenge Diaries? So you gotta answer everything.
I'm just saying, see?
No,
I feel like okay, the work imani. No.
Okay, can I anga fast?
Anga fast to it's not going to chakatera.
At the day is only this one. Then I'm here for answers now.
Hold up, wait. I am just saying, I don't think okay, have you are bad. Like, what is it exactly? Okay, let's say Kamuzana. If a girl is bad, ubo uitani.
Maginya can't choose.
Hey, she don't record right about that guy. Bibo, remember Bibo?
Yo, I just imagine well, yo.
No going to do that. Superwoman.
You guys,
okay, but I'm just saying, see, I really joke before. Okay, can we just not tell them the bad stuff? Hey, Mara,
I had a question for you. Never.
Okay. So if a girl is bad, maginyandi musi ako yojini sama adapezi. Other chicken dust, it's fine.
Chicken dust me.
Like just laying there.
Oh, Coco Bojari. Oh, see, now I'm using this. Oh, that was the best explanation
I
ever.
don't want this on your episode.
You guys,
I'm out.
They're speaking.
So you guys don't mind chicken dust. Rechotso.
Yeah, it didn't be rechotso. Not rechotso.
Okay, so you don't mind. The issue ni mahada, maginya.
Can't wait to get married ndani.
Okay, mshonga ndoto wana mtrasina hada. Baone.
I can't wait to get married ndani buze zvizote. Each and every week ndani kunobuza chicken dust. Ndani kunobuza adult things nani.
No mara.
Which is very
And
soon.
itani mare like it's so.
Ndisongo jaisiwa.
Ndibudzwe ngachipinga ndiwane sendele nzambara mwendo.
Usongo jaiwa.
Mara niribudze ngachipinga.
Anyway.
Ribangere sendele.
Hey, hela dio cheater. Zvino iko visa yoitera mufumakazi wayo fimi protection order. No, mufumakazi yoitera hela ati protection order yore. Omuisa mulani ngasvi. So what happened is that so you tell your brother, no man, omdru uko chitanga ntwini aingo circumcise. So uko jezera matangi.
Chitanga polo nege.
Yeah, so come on, need something.
But okay, why na yako John?
It's like 38. You know
30 what?
30 something.
Batung.
So achibuya mulani ukubuya na 16 years. Ngechurch being and 36. It's probably up there now.
Nenda donga ndine prison.
So if you always song akhaladzi the whole amsizana. If you only see why he got drunk. Vamushavirisa mulani.
Vamudropa.
Vafamily vako tomanga roko phone of whole amtu wange vone vakoto prepare vutambo achibuya everything.
Oh, it was an event you were. Oh, guys, I'm Robo Kumjinsen. I thought you were going to Tamboy.
I go cheated and I. Tazon to cheat. You see what cheating does to you guys?
Yeah, guys, stop cheating.
Yeah.
I think if you're tired, just leave.
Do you think people get tired in marriages or something?
They do. I think a lot of people in marriage are tired. They just don't want to talk about it. People are tired in marriage, bro.
I feel like if I got tired,
Honey, people are tired.
I'll simply leave, bruh.
You know, one of them talk about chimdo romponeta. You know, abachena energy, duruboneta, but boneta. Mara also their kids. They need to think of kids. They need to think of family. Whenever one of the families never would do a divorce. So they need to consider that.
It's also damaging the community, man. I believe I divorce. I get it in a minori. Oh, but then the Bible also says if mtwana cheater, divorce. That's the only time you're allowed to divorce them. But then, okay, now I'm gonna go against the Bible. Mara if not net, I'm gonna go true. I need to move. Niko do force and then you end up doing things nani go eat.
No net angasuzo nonga mini arasingojola comes.
That's just so maginya.
Mara no tomana abona mahada so like no abona ngadwalo.
Is that thing true, Yori? Muna, they are still sexually active at a higher age as compared to women.
That's why you need to marry younger.
Oh, see, what's the?
Anything I'm pregnant, I'm 18.
Oh, I still can.
Hey, Mara msadzwa nore na 70 anga ainga dofara.
Oh.
So.
But then Ricky the pedo.
Mara no bangange. If you're 70, you can get a 40-year-old.
What 13 years I say one?
Depending on how good you look at 70. I really need not nga tap land la plastic, you know. You're not gonna win. Because a 30-year-old is probably seeing about 35 but they're like young and hot. Why would she choose you?
I get you.
Yeah. So you need to marry younger.
Yeah, so hey, divorce.
So what do you think is a good age gap? I think what's a good age gap? Funi, what do you think?
I think
perfect
10 to 5 to 10.
5 to 10. 15. Comes to
and actually the certificate is avana obebo what did one kori 2000 ungari 85. Nice. Jambo net ke ukoya batho bane abafarisani.
Mara ibe siphido eyo. Asiphido. Ubono bamulwana.
Which is the same thing which happened Kantumbu. Ntumbo daka podcast are the girlfriend was what? I think there's a difference here. Is it 3 years or 6? I don't know. I can't remember from the top of my head. Marati. Last zonga vichitracewa back. Aboka tonga mungoba na 16, mungana 19. Remember which is wrong, kind of. Or out of 18. I think I can be 40 and marry someone at 18, which is fine. They're able to make a decision. So that's why comes do fare mini. So it's the end to your marriage. I think after 12 and the lunch.
Hey, after 12 yo. Hey, 1 hour 12.
Wait, 12.
Do you remember where we were at 12,
grade 8,
bro?
yeah, grade 8.
Ndikadiyambana nachiri kuchogarira chihapa ndikasizo yangu ena kuda kuenda kwaulwethe kwa chikoro. Come on. Also, how do you see ula mwana obeba na bege na wine go blush?
I didn't. The MR21 your phone.
Irarifara.
Finwamba ngarinene.
Irarifara. Sa video call it. Ini ya bora.
How's the Mizo Phyll album?
I haven't listened to it.
Blind
I haven't listened to it.
I tried it. I listened to it. I saw a lot of people rating it 6. Now I'll give it a 4.
Why?
I know.
And I asked you.
Yeah, you did ask what it is. That's what you feel like. Now I've heard it entirely. I think, nah, man.
I shouldn't listen to it?
You should to give a judgment for yourself.
But the Max Swagger song is good.
I don't know. Mizo Phyll, man, that guy has done so much better than what he did.
But then
now.
you can't expect him to give out the same work.
Then just don't drop if you don't feel like you have anything to offer.
Because you don't know who release a family.
It's the same thing we spoke about last week. Yeah, with Bauri.
You can't now say, like, you can't expect me to. Because in the you don't know what he was going through then. You don't know. I bet music comes from within. So anyone go through zones, because music comes from the heart.
Nah, I think the heart is giving him wrong ideas now.
Is the heart fucking him up?
I think there's also that. There's a lot of features, man. Mizo does a lot of things Queen alone, or with artists' name. They actually when we don't know. But the chorus.
Remember when
Una chinuanti. Oh, not chain. If you just chain any moon. And then there's this. I don't think it's chain one. Is it chain one?
Oh, I thought they were close because we are moving back to chain one in Biri. That was chain
maybe they're chain one.
And
then there's also another one. And the thing is done. The music video is all pink. That one is a good song. That lady.
I love that song.
Ardum Diva Mara. He get Mara Gino. It's just. So I think.
And then the album. This was deep.
Exactly. So the album from. I think it has 22 tracks from the thing I have this album atikwamba. So ila nyimbo zironga zoro rwaso already zibenga order yori ukotomotaka zisanza chimrisana.
Really? So zitakadza ichwota.
Zitoma zikotakadza. Ndini Table Mountain ngotsana.
Damn. Okay, I'm going to give it a try.
Please do. I gave it 3 tries. I still can't give it a different judgment. It's a 4 for me. He can do better. And I know people are going to hate me. Mizo Phyll does better, guys. He's done better before.
Mizo is good.
I'll listen to Now and Then over anything Dream.
Mizo is good. Now and Then you're rangati.
That was a good masterpiece.
Now and Then I before. Those are the 2 albums I still listen to.
But then, you know. Oh, and it was written also. Yeah, it was written Now and Then.
Yeah, stay the same.
So, yeah. So hey, with this one, man, you might as well take the album out again. Yeah, I know. Also, we're going to grow on it. Like
you're going to love it.
Eventually, that was go, oh, no, but then Racha was there. He was doing good also.
Ooh, love Racha.
Racha
on album. Does he release albums?
Yeah, he does a lot. That was the blind.
No. I love Racha so much.
Hey, Racha have this album. Just know or release
I need to give him a try as well. Because the Afuna single that was all taste.
You should just listen to his album. I think Ubana order a message in a funny way. And another thing, this thing as artist wanting to change. There's like piano now. Mizo when you go, I think you don't different too. There's like hip hop and then there's piano, ishinyana. Like stay true to what you are. That's why we fell in love with you. I don't think there's any artist named Ifuno Mizo. I think up there I'd like King Munada, Mizo Phyll, and AKA. Those are the 3 people. I don't feel. You
love King Munada?
King Munada, Mizo Phyll, and Mizo. I know every song by King Munada. The same I know every song by Mizo Phyll except for this album. It's gonna grow on me also, and that's Devazote. But then, come on, man.
No, I get it. I'm gonna give it a try.
Please do. Yeah. Discard whatever I said.
I'm gonna see and stuff.
Probably you give a different rating. Yeah. Yeah. So hey, Guys,
not angichado bona prep ngamazazi. Not in the bed bona prep ngamazazi.
ndikobona something amanda, no problem at all. We're moving, guys. We're going far. Trust me. Do you know anything about the Venda Kingship?
MR21 ndikumbira 48 yanga yanduni.
Yamade. Ifuna namba fast. Ongori nasa vidi. Ndakashondokudza vatu.
Hayi ndemune ndakafika account.
Ndabona vashumi vantune. Ndabona vashumi vamushumo nomiyanga nge. Madzina. Ko commentiwa zvitu.
Edzisani. Driving school.
Come on, man. Yeah. And then also, are you following the battle ya Kingship? Wait, is that thing called a battle of the Kingship ya Venda?
I don't even know what it is. Ndobona no.
Is it Kingship? But
What
then
is it?
remember Masinda Chikora, she's not fighting to be a king. Oh, Battle of the Throne. Yeah, because that Kingship utonga kuirwa ukorwa nazwi. So the battle of the Kingship and the Queenship. Okay, so here's the story. Let me give it to you. Maybe ndokono we dissect and for time in a bit. I think Kotsia Tony had like 11 wives, see? Of which the second wife, the one we have about Zikiso. Zikiso Jambo mean she's royal.
She's from royalty.
Yeah. So she gave birth to Mtawafi Dimbanyika.
Okay.
So the guy was the king, and then and then Dimbanyika, while ruling, he had a girlfriend, and then Masindi.
Okay.
So Masindi is the one who's fighting Tony for the kingship, for the throne. Let's use that word.
Okay.
Yeah. And then half of it, Dimbanyika.
So Masindi's mom was not married.
Yeah. Masindi's mom, as it stands, she was not married. See?
Okay.
The girlfriend there, Dimbanyika. And then Dimbanyika dies. What then happens? Hajivamini Moratu kan mkomana. Whatever Moratu kan mkomana. Okay, the brother. Let's use the word brother.
The brother.
Ajumsa brother in Endi Tony to become the king. And then Tony wasn't put there as an acting king. He was put there as the king. And then Masindi ukwaruwa, mwana girlfriend. Okay, that sounds wrong. Marangona girlfriend. Arwa now Onoda, she's like, I want what belongs to me. And then I get caught this. Oh, hey, you should watch the videos on TikTok also. Don't do that. You need to invest like 1 hour, 2 hours.
I'll give it a try.
Like, abala vetu ukuriwa. Masinu konyaga uhosi yawe, but then remember ni yawe abango mariwa.
Mara no uchichidaka bohosi ushuma mini ushuma DNA kana ushuma upfi umariwa. Cause ni mwana wabo. Ushuma
zote abala vetu. First thing china ko chako shumiswa ingwenti no kurirwa zino ndia ukoshumiswa gender as the first one, ti? Ukoshumiswa gender as the first one, and then the second one ndio rimiya wango mariwa. So it is into milizine Tony akodishumisa will never event a female queen, ti? Okay, we never have a queen, not a female queen. Yeah, we'll never have a queen, Venda, ti? And then Holland Tony comes also if which go for you konyago bakhosi. Rikombela bathu bo rumi wao hamiya Masindi. Vaya vachikoyo mara, va then abutanzi uri no, ava mtu omaliwa. Because vangatwa vari no, ava omaliwa mini. Mara ana mtu nokudiwa msanda. And then lona ligwena beli kopopa ngamini, liko diana dzichopa. Musibona na initi.
Nice.
So nembusi aende phala vetu, zinokuti ita mini like
it's just that I did vimira yoyo nendi mini.
It's different when it comes to royalty. It boils down to the kingship, the Zulu household, where there's Magad and Mrs. Zulu. So the other one, whose mother is not married, the other one's mother is married. That's why there's always a conflict between family because Magad is older than Mrs. Zulu.
yeah. Oh, the unmarried one is older.
Yes.
So she should have given birth to a king.
Yes.
Technically, yeah.
If the mother was married.
Yeah, true.
The mother wasn't Mrs. Zulu.
So the second wife
So that
becomes the one that gives.
automatically
Goes down to the one that was married.
Oh,
Which is the
so
same thing.
marriage matters in this case. So Jiamburi ukuti otoma dava tuna hala mangwaro onwali wa uchikuyo.
So vatu
if they are saying she was.
But dimanyika wakati yo mara miya Masindi
If
zvinhu.
we dismiss it because Venda is a queen, Chaulo have a one. So it's still part of our culture.
To have a queen. To have a queen is okay. Ndikwamba.
That's a different one.
Ndikwamba
Remember which means
zomaliwa.
one to me. Your mara na ya queen. Those are the two things
Yomaliwa.
neza ko discard you.
Your mother and the even a legal reference with the Zulu culture.
Yeah, with the Zulu one.
But on the side,
Yeah, queen.
should not be completely dismissed.
But then iko shumisiwa ngekoti. Ziko weird umwe. There's interpreters, there's everything there. What if I call uyu mutu oita mini? Miyawe ndiko repo papa girlfriend.
I need to watch it.
Like, hey, it's so messed up, man. Like, what are the benefits of being a king and a queen in Venda?
Chile kuva guy. Ibe kuva guy. What would guys so you know go to radio but
Oh, I know of the chiefs. Yeah, chiefs get paid.
what would guy maginya? Yeah. How much are we looking at, guys? A lot.
Let's get figures.
Let's get figures. A lot. Let's get figures. Ah, I bet a lot ya muazi, a lot ya mungu.
Yeah.
You will feel a lot too.
Because now my broke, I guess find a broke shame, guys. I'm telling you guys are broke.
You guys are broke. You didn't lie. Oh, we are just as an HPinga.
No, oh wait. Okay, no, I poke to man. The president rolled 3.9 million. So it should be below that, obviously, because president and the king, they wouldn't get the same salary.
Futini king ya Venda.
Man, I
But
think
Venda is small compared to whom?
Venda is not small, bro. Venda is not small. Of maybe.
No, man, okay, Rich says the culture because South Africa, but Venda did tukusa, right? If we're being honest, you can't compare it to the Zulu king.
Into area.
It doesn't matter marati area yone zvakuri ido hurange hava una vatu vanji, like what are you saying?
No.
So you can't compare it to the Zulu one.
No, but whoever Urana was Nabatu.
Zvino ndonobudza una shango ine una midhimi nayo tarangana.
Look at Northern Cape.
Am I gonna get paid for that?
Look at Gauteng in Northern Cape.
My chat is, am I going to get paid now for area na already wanga population kananga area?
That's what we don't know, and we don't have a fact checker. But then, hey man, in the pay guy because it's been also it's on a SBCD. This is next strong.
SBCD is recent.
SBCD.
As a 2 years ago, I'm doing it.
So it's been. Oh, I pay about MR21. How much? How much? Huh?
According to News 24, King's official salary in the 927,000, 1 million a year, right?
Oh.
Yeah, and then the Kaizer king receives 59 million.
Ngarota mo King Mrs. Zulu.
Also, it depends according to our flag as well, and also those wives get benefits from the government. So it's not just about.
Now I know my next goal.
I know, baby, I know. I could fast no kind of maginya mara. Mtuana bafuma kazi vanji wana chere denji. Kaizer, you know, I found information. Like, yeah, he gave her.
Do what you gotta do.
I know Renami Loro. Spinga Choshika. Bono Kelly Loda. Yeah, so I mean, anything you wanna discuss, start to viral.
Roita, you're there. Caprebo.
I don't know, man.
What else
did we miss anything?
What else didn't we talk about?
There's always next week, man.
Ne? I don't know research finger. I don't know research finger.
Achapira.
Oh, you see?
It's on your park. But then, anyways, if ever we missed it. Also, you guys, if there's something interesting to discuss, send us a DM, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. And then, yeah, just do that. And then make sure to discuss it. Because you can't just come here. All this thing, hey, tanga una chedopera wapa.
Kana wafuna chedopera tanga.
Kana
tango kwa vila, you know.
Yeah, but then do that, and then also, as I always say, we're coming to you live from Panda Studios, the 38 Miller Street, Braamfontein. If you want to contact them, it's 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com. Karan gufungo na mtena ngatuwa anytime soon. You get what I mean? You know, MR21 is your answer.
Very with style, guys. Guys, auna, what's this?
What?
Auna award yo tambura, eh? Like, when you bury, can you bury with style? Like, but when the phone about uburunganga class, but phone it's too much. Don't be scared.
Also, don't you feel like also there's this thing in here we always associate Suzwabudi with no Nacherede. That's what it funga. Here bangabo visa boma 100,000, 200,000. For something
I don't think
it could be 50.
Bruh, Nettie, I'm so heavy on paying for convenience, bruh. Like,
hey, that's me.
It's just like I already una rufuti. I don't see why hukotiwa vana vafumakadzi vastarata nokotoyada ukobika if we can
When
afford
we
to
can
take
get
out
catering.
15,000 for catering.
Exactly.
And I'm telling you, the lady okatara oka funeral, yeah, she offered said that lady was so good. I'm gonna tell you her name, Malebu, I think.
Oh, into Wachisauru.
Yes,
Yeah.
Chabinyan. You know what that woman did?
I don't know about weight.
No,
cut.
I'm just telling you what she looks like.
I'm not gonna say anything about chubby.
It doesn't matter.
Ladies are fighting ladies now.
I'm not fighting her. She came through.
It's a problem when you give weight.
Rabavidza, hey man, shut up, dude. Rabavidza nga funeral. She came, I remember in the morning, block Juna ties your mad on and off. And remember the ubege rufus yamba na okabena na mangu na no save other or whatever. She came in, we told her there's no water. We were so stressed out. She literally just called her truck yodana. She didn't need anything else. So I'm just saying, if we are gonna don't stress out the people when it be down. Roof already is stressful. So we pay for this because we don't want to stress out. Literally, she did everything, presented it so well. So I'm like,
don't you think they should offer like catering services also?
Yeah, I'm sure Zionism.
I think it would be the best thing. Like you have a package.
Imagine
MR gives everything.
Yeah.
Like all you do is give them money.
True. That would be perfect.
In dura so and
zvipungudza matada because aso our catering ndiene oita catering dzothe dza vegi yothe so ari ukofukudza vaeni she had to do it and then razvidivo rivo vurunga vakuita zvothe ubva kougwa not hange it's frustrating honestly.
Next week remind me to talk about wives supporting their businesses their husbands' businesses. I think that's one thing you don't realize lately. Also on TikTok.
Or the wives support a business
on how big they are on supporting it.
We have to.
Because even on this
I always say this, you guys are nothing without us. You need us. Yeah, and true. You know that, right? You do need us. You know, that's not going to happen.
Yeah, I have a cousin named now we're complaining but then they always have money. They're okay. I'm sure pizza.
Dude, okay, personally, I don't think they would have save but
I get what you mean.
You do need a woman's brain somewhere, somehow. And I think that's why women are doing it. Because one of you guys probably have the money and the idea to execute it, Mara. Or run a certain way.
Also,
it needs a woman's touch, you know? So basically, every man needs a woman. So imagine if you have two.
Well, somebody, the cost is the pin.
Yeah, I mean, imagine a company go run and magazine to the room.
Baby,
it's giving Deloitte. It's giving Discovery. But I'm just saying.
I think like having a woman, it builds you in a different way, man.
And discipline.
True.
You guys are not disciplined.
There's a lot of things in there. What does this you know about? Eh? Nah.
Oh,
okay, Farangaleli, guys. Also, Nichwana girlfriend, I mean, obviously you're not gonna know it first all the time. Mara, you can actually tell within years or months.
Years.
Within months, you're able to tell Rom to Rokumo don't support. Because I feel Anna's podcast out of this years, you know.
Narsha support.
Guy, in wiki I've seen people who never hey men this what for a week? What for a week, guys?
Why are you no, you can't say that.
Dude,
no, I'm trying to weekend na busy. I was gonna
article general ko voice kwa ni wiki. I don't feel carried mean. Oh, okay, baby, let's do it. Hi, Karazwitem Karawanga. That's me signing out, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Chimney of the Tanzania.